Now, if we have larger powers of 10, like 100 or 1000, we do the same thing. 83 times 100, actually 100 is 10 times 10. So we can think of it as multiplying by 10 twice. So when we multiply by 10, our digits move one place to the left and we put a 0 in the units place. So we do that again and we've actually got 83 times 10 times 10 and we've got another 0 placeholder. So 83 times 10 times 10 is the same as 83 times 100, which equals 8,300. Let's do one more. If we've got 67 times 100, remember there's two zeros there, and that means it's 10 times 10, 10 to the power of 2. 67 times 100, we can move each digit 2 places to the left. So our 6 goes from the tens to the thousands place, our 7 goes from the units to the hundreds place, and then of course we need 2 0 placeholders. So 67 times 100 is 6,700. When it comes to multiplying by 1,000, well, it's just the same. 1,000 is 100 times 10. So that's 10 times 10 times 10. In fact, the 3 zeros tells us how many times we're multiplying by 10. So we're going to move 3 places to the left. That means the 4 is going to go all the way across to the tens of thousands place. The 2 is going from the units across to the thousands. And then we need 0 placeholders. And don't forget, if we're multiplying, the number will be bigger. So that helps you remember which way to move as well. So 42 times 1,000 equals 42,000. Now this time we're going to look at division. And that means the number's going to get smaller because we're dividing by a whole number. And that means we move the digits to the right. 100 is 10 times 10. So that means we're going to move 2 places to the right. So the 4 is going to go to the hundreds place. The 9 will go to the tens place. That 0 will go to the units place. So 49,000 divided by 100 is 490. Now what about if we don't use a place value table? Because you're not going to do that all the time. 523 multiplied by 100. Multiply means the number gets bigger and we're multiplying by 100. So our number has 2 zeros and that means we'll move 2 places to the left. Or you can think of putting 2 zeros onto the end of the number. So 52,300. When we divide, remember, our number's getting smaller. So if we have 1,900 divided by 100, we're going to be moving our digits to the right. We're dividing by 100, so that's 2 places to the right. And the same as dropping off 2 zeros. So that means 1,900 divided by 100 is 19. In fact, with that one, you could say 1,900 divided by 100, and that tells you there are 19 hundreds. So don't forget, if we're multiplying, we add zeros. If we're dividing, we're going to be actually dropping the zeros. So that's a good way to learn how to do it once you understand why you do it that way.